Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, as you can see, I have a few items on the table here, and we're going to be decorating for spring. I'm also going to bring in a little bit of Farmhouse onto the coffee bar. Some of these items, actually most of all these items, are things I've already had in the house, and I had them in different areas that I was using. And I just have a couple, maybe two items that are new, so I'll share with you those first. Over at Home Goods, I thought this was really cute. I forgot to show this in my Ray Dunn haul that I did. This says, "But first coffee," with the little metal coffee cup here. It's got the little wooden stand. This was priced $7.99 over at Home Goods. And then the other item that I picked up over at Home Goods that I thought was really cute was this little canister here. It says, "Be Healthy," with the little bee there, and has like a little tan top on it. And then, of course, on my coffee bar, you gotta have mugs on your coffee bar, so I'll be using my Ray Dunn. This one says coffee, and you can always find the Ray Dunn mugs for $5.99. And I have a set of two, and then I'm gonna use the other cup that says tea, and I have a set of two of these that'll go on the coffee bar. And then what's nice, in between there on my mug rack, love to use this little sign. It says, "Life begins after coffee." This is really cute. This is Ray Dunn, and usually these come with a little metal hanger here, but you can always pick up some little beads and add your own little touch to it in different colors. So I've used these little green beads here and little ones that look a little marble with yellow on it. So I thought this was really cute to bring in some color. And then I have this crock that I picked up over at Hobby Lobby. This was on clearance for $4.49. I thought this was really cute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of these yellow tulips. These came from Kirkland's. I absolutely love these. Ended up picking up another set because I needed like another one to fill up the crock. I thought that would look really nice in here and bring in a nice pop of color. And then for the Farmhouse look, we're going with this little cutting board here. I think this is really cute. This came from Hobby Lobby. Now this is their spring shop, and this was priced $15.99. On their spring line collection, you can get, they usually run 40% off. So I got this at 40% off. And also this little rooster here, so cute. It says Farm Fresh. Now this was priced $21.99. I thought that was kind of a lot, but of course it was on sale for 40% off. So I thought this was really cute. And again, this little Farmhouse little sign here, it says Fresh Eggs Daily. Actually picked this up at a yard sale, probably around 50 cents. So this is bringing in a little bit of the Farmhouse onto the coffee bar. And then I have a little bee, and this came from Hobby Lobby for a couple dollars. And then online, I had ordered this from Walmart. I couldn't really tell how big it was because sometimes ordering online, I never check the sizes, which is bad. And I picked this up, and I absolutely love using this on my coffee bar. So I think I got this for under $20. I ordered this online through Walmart. And what I like about that is I'm going to be using these little fake muffins. Love these. These look so realistic. They come in a set of 6, but I only can fit 3 in there. Now I got these offline on Amazon, and you can get 6 of these. And I'm going to only be using 3 because that's what's going to fit in that little stand there. And then I just have a couple more items to share with you what we're going to use. I have this little tray here. I got this over at Home Goods. I always use this tray. I absolutely love this. It's all wood, and then it has the metal handles. Now I don't have a price on this, but I think I got it at Home Goods. And I love using this because I can always put my little Ray Dunn creamer and sugar bowl on here, along with my stand. And then I picked up this little towel here. It did come in a set of 2. It says, "Let Love Grow." This is Ray Dunn. Really cute to bring in some more color. I think the towels ran around $6.99, and you do get 2 of them, but I'll just be using 1. And then I have this little stand here. You can always pick these up over at Hobby Lobby for a couple dollars. And I have a garden ball, and you can get these over at Hobby Lobby as well. And then I think my last, got 2 more items. This little watering can here with the little flowers. I thought this was real cute for spring. I actually picked this up last year at home when all the stores were closed. They actually delivered to your house for like maybe $10. You could order online, and they would have someone bring it right to your house. So I did that, and then I thought, oh, I don't know, maybe I'll return it. Never returned it, so I did use it, I think once outside, but I do like this. So I'll be using that. And then this came from Hobby Lobby, this little watering can in metal. This was $4.99. Again, this would be in their spring shop, 40% off. And then this little succulent can go right on top. So I thought that was really cute. So let's go out to my coffee bar and decorate for spring and add in a little bit of farmhouse charm. Well, here's a look at the coffee bar before we get started. I'm using my Buffalo Check runner on here along with my Keurig. And then down here on the bottom shelf, I have these baskets. I absolutely love the baskets because they hold all my K-cups. And I just recently went over to Costco and picked up a big box. Not sure on the price, but you get like 120 K-cups over at Costco for a really good price. And then my husband likes the Green Mountain. And then down at the bottom shelf, I have a little placemat in Buffalo Check along with my pillow. And then coming up here on the wall, I believe this shelf came from Hobby Lobby. This is one of the things I purchased when I first made this little coffee station here on this wall. And then these little metal signs also came from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm not sure about the picture. It says hot drinks at 50 cents. But the little metal signs came from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this little sign over here, which is really nice. It's all done in metal. It says, enjoy life one sip at a time, enjoy the simple things in life, and then let the little things make you happy. I love all those sayings, and I love the pop of color it brings to this coffee bar. So let's go ahead and start decorating and adding some coffee mugs to the coffee station. Well, I absolutely love the way the coffee bar turned out. I love the pops of yellow. I love the idea of bringing in some farm decor into the coffee bar. So I hope you guys got some decorating ideas and inspiration. And until next time, happy decorating, and I'll see you in my next video.